Hello from Slovenia again. Today is the second painting of my chakra series, and this is the first one that we did, red root chakra, yesterday, and the second one is orange chakra. It's also known as sacral chakra, and it's located about 2 inches above our belly button. And of course it's orange is the color of this chakra, because orange mean theme, or how can I say, to the orange is to live life to the fullest, you know. And the energy of orange chakra is fluid and flexible, like you know, fluid art, and it's directed by pleasure, or how can I say, pleasure principle. It's the center, and it's almost the center, and it's also the center of emotional intelligence, and it's connected strongly with the experiences and our emotional responses. And this chakra also promotes growth of your identity, regardless, your identity connection with other people, or how can I say, it's hard for me to explain in English. And of course, one of the function is sexuality too, so because, you know, this energy is really powerful. So that was a little bit of orange chakra, and I had quite some problems with choosing colors for this one, because obviously I still have a little problems with my second chakra, the orange one, because I think that I had a little more problems than with red one. So this chakra series will probably tell a little bit about me too. I don't know. But then I decided, because for the base coat I want to have an opaque color, and it was hard with oranges, so I mixed cadmium red middle, that it's opaque, with this dark cadmium yellow hue, and a little bit of cadmium orange hue. And for the colors, for the flower, dip and lip flower, I have Liquitex Heavy Body Quinacridone Burnt Orange, and the second color is mixture of Amsterdam Permanent Orange from Expert Series and light gold. So, and of course I will use my pearl white mixture and extreme sheen gold. So let's start with our flower, shall we? Okay, this is done. And now to the napkin, and I'm really afraid that this background will not work, so maybe I will have to try it once more and add a little white or something to make it more opaque. Okay, let's see. Let's put this in the middle of the flower, and I will not put this all the way down just before, because of this. Because I'm afraid it will pull all the color off the paint, I should say. So I bring you in the red one that you will imagine, maybe a little bit. I was just trying to add some paint around and I mess quite a bit. I knew that I will have a little problem with this orange one. Maybe they can even go like, you know, in this direction. So the second one, the orange one, whoops, sorry, is done the opposite way, you know, that this is the bottom and goes up. Let's see. Obviously, I have a problem with an orange chakra. Maybe you will learn something about yourself with this poor chakra series too. I definitely will, obviously. So this is it for today. And the next one will be the yellow one. Bye.